Operators. So now the operators are special symbols that perform specific operations such as arithmetic, logical, etc. The value that the operator operates on is called the operand. For example, in the expression x plus 4, x and 4 are operands, and plus is an operator. So in this section, first we're going to learn the arithmetic, assignment, and unary operators. Then we're going to play with equality, relational, and conditional operators. Then we're going to learn operator precedence. Arithmetic operators. The Java programming language provides operators that perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder. So these are basic mathematical operations that you probably know and can do in your head. Plus is an additive operator. It adds two operands. Minus is a subtraction operator. It subtracts the right operand from the left. Asterisk is a multiplication operator. It multiplies two operands. / is a division operator. It divides the left operand by the right one. The type of division result is float by default. Now percent is a remainder operator. So this symbol might look new to you. It divides one operand by another and returns the remainder as its result. Okay, so let's try to understand Java operators with examples. So in the exercise project, right-click on the source folder and then select New and Class. Specify package name as Operator and the class name as Arithmetic Operator, and then select the checkbox to add main method. All right, so now let's declare three variables with the double type. First, number 1, and assign 8.4. Okay, second, number 2, and assign 4.2. And then last, result, with the initial value 0.0. So now you want to first assign number 1 plus number 2 to the variable result. All right, so let's show the result value by using our print method. And we may run the program after all the operations. Great, so let's copy the code and change the operator to the subtraction operator. And now change the operator in the print method. All right, so let's make changes for multiplication. Good, and we'll change it for division. And finally, let's change it up again for remainder as our operator. Okay, that's all. So let's run the code. And you see the result in the console. Number 1 plus number 2 equals 12.6. Number 1 minus number 2 equals 4.2. Number 1 multiplied by number 2 equals 35.28. Number 1 divided by number 2 equals 2.0. Number 1 percent number 2 equals 0.0. So the remainder is 0.